This is Abdullah Kashmir, Class CS126, Introduction to Python. This is Class 2 assignment, which is we run our statements or commands that we run through the command prompt through the shell. And what I noticed in here is that I have no problem running the command like that. But in the command prompt, I was able to copy everything and run it at once, and I will have no problem with running it. But if I do this in here, it will take it as either one block or anything like that. I'm not really sure, but it's invalid and give me syntax error, so I have to run it one by one, and I find that a little bit annoying. Maybe there is a way to script it or anything like that. And this is just to run different commands. I'm just copying it and for easy and fast and testing it. And I can't run two at the same time. I have to run only one at a time. But in the command prompt, it's a lot easier. And this is the list. Okay, I think this should be. I don't know why this is not working. Oh, it's list by itself. So yes, this is the kind of problems I'm having, like between the command prompt and this one. Is that I feel there's a big difference, and maybe there's a way to script it or anything like that. So I have to define each one by itself rather than being able to write the whole script. Oh, now I have to run each one by itself again. So yes, it's annoying. Another thing is say for example, if I'm going to save this, okay, so I'm not sure what is happening here. It opens really quick and closes, and pretty much this is my experience with it so far.